Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you factory reset an iPhone. So at first, just go to your settings, and after going to the settings, just log out your Apple ID. And in the bottom here, you can see sign out. Click on it to sign out your Apple ID. Now just go back and go to general. And now just scroll here, and the second last one here you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it. Now the last one is erase all content and settings. Click on it. Now here you can see continue button. By clicking it, you can just erase all the data of this phone. Now click on continue. So guys, that's how you can factory reset an iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.